So hi guys, what's up? This is my first English video. My last Decathlon tweaking video gained a lots of views and interests, so I decided to make a video in English because most of you doesn't speak Hungarian, which is a very beautiful and unique language here in the middle of Europe. So I decided, since I can speak a bit English, I decided to make another tweaking video about this sensational bike provided by Decathlon, and you can buy them all around the world in Decathlon shops, which is a French sports supermarket company. So the point is that the frame of the bike is perfect, and they give you a full life guarantee for the frame. So if after 5 years something happens to the frame, they change it for free. And that was my story. That my last Decathlon bike, which was a B-Fold 7, after 5 years broke at this part at the welding, and I went back to the Decathlon, and in 5 minutes they gave me back the money, and I could buy this bike. The most important thing is that the other parts of the bike are not so good. So the wheels and the brakes and everything else is a low quality category, but the frame is a very good start to build things on it. So first I have changed the tires and the wheels, and then with my friends we made some tweaks with the vignette. You can see this is not a between bike, this is a beyond, because now it is not between, it is far beyond the Decathlon style. And another thing, that if you buy this bike, it comes with very low quality brakes. So my biggest favorite brake system is this Magura oil brake, which is not a disc brake. It uses the normal V brake system, but it works with oil. So with one finger you can operate it, and you can stop the wheels immediately. So I really like it. It doesn't need too much maintenance, and it works. So I had 6 or 7 bikes now built with this system, and I don't have any problems in the last 10-12 years. So I really recommend this Magura system. And normally this bike comes with a single speed. This is my wife's bike, so I can show you the original one. So it comes with this type of solution here. It has only one gear, so it has not other options here to change the gear, and it is also with my bike. But you know, there are lots of combinations with these dual drive solutions when you use a hub, a gear which is inside the hub, and you can combine it with a 7 or an 8 or a 10 gear solution. So I firstly bought an old second-hand wheel which contained this Sachs hub, and I used it on my bike with a 7 combination. So 3 times 7 means 21. So my bike became a 21 gear bike, and it is much more better than to have only 7 gears. And last summer I met my friend who told me that he disassembled a Decathlon bike. You know, this I guess from Netherlands. I don't know which is the origin, but it has very good quality parts. So I could buy this wheel and this solution here, this which is a Sturmy Archer. It's a very good hub system, and this is the last tweak that I took off from this bike. This wheel and put it in my wife's bike, so now she has also a 21 gear combination on his very nice Ladybug bike, and the new and better Decathlon parts went into my bike, and now I have a better quality, a much more better quality than this was here. And another thing that I combined my biking with a train, and if you get on a train you will realize that if you have too long handlebars you cannot get in the train because the doors are not so wide. So that's why the first thing, if I buy a bike which I use on combining with the train, that I cut 7 centimeters, almost 10 centimeters from the handlebar, and I can short it this length of the handlebars, and it's from then it is much more easier to get on the train. But if you want to do this, you cannot have the original bended handlebars because you cannot push closer the brakes because you know it because of the curves. So I bought this straight handlebar, and with this one you can see the brakes are very close. They touch each other, almost touch each other. So it's a little bit dirty because I use it every day. So the dirt comes on, but as you can see, they are very close, and they are 15 centimeters shorter than the original Decathlon, which comes very good if you want to get on the train. Comfort, of course, this Ergon solutions are very comfortable if you put your hands on it, and you can vary the position of your hand with this and this, and if you use it for longer distances, it comes handy if you can change the position of your hand, and the blood can freely go into your palm. So it's another thing, and if you bike in a big city, like for example in Budapest, there are very bad roads also, not only good quality roads, and that's why I use this type of tires, which are very wide. This is a 2.1 and 2.2. Here we can see it. I hope. Yeah, 2.1, 2.15 tire, and it is very good because this is the Schwalbe Big Apple, and you don't have to use it on the maximum pressure, so you can use it on 2 bars, and you can use it on 5 bars, but if you use it in the middle somewhere at 3.5 bars, it means that it can correct the problems of the road, and the roads are not the roads give not so much vibration for your hands and for the bike, and it's more comfortable on bad quality roads in the city. So that's why I use it. Another thing with the Decathlon, on my last bike I had some problems with the seats, and they made very funny noises when you pedal the bike. It was like I don't know, it sounded like you released gas, of course, and I told them that everybody is looking at me when I'm biking because they think that I have a little bit stomach problem, and they told me, okay, they don't know what is the problem, but they change it, and I can go in the shop and I can choose a seat, whatever I want. So I chose this very good quality gel seat, and I use it with great pleasure since 5 years now, and it is very silent and very comfortable. Normally this bike comes without this trolley, but you can buy it at the Decathlon, which is convertible with the bike and compatible with the bike. And another thing, that if you use a lock, you have to put the lock somewhere. At this position, the lock has a very good place, and they don't make any problems when you fold the bike. So I think that's it. Normally on sunlight, this vignette is black, and at the headlights of the cars, or now at the light of the phone, you can see it is reflecting in white color. And my wife's bike has these ladybugs, which are black and red, but now they also reflecting back the light, so which makes it better visible at night. So that's it. I hope you like it. I hope you understand it. I hope I didn't make too much mistakes. I'm not a native speaker, so please be patient with my English, but I think it's better to talk English and not subtitle the Hungarian video. So that's why I will sometimes I will make English movies, this Hungarian English Hungarish movies. Okay, so I hope you liked it, and I really recommend to buy these Decathlon bikes, because they are cheap and the frame is perfect, and for a very little plus tuning you can, or tweaking, you can make it a very good bike, and you can use it for 10 years without any problems. Okay, so goodbye, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me, and I can give you links where you can buy the bike, which parts are built in, especially what I showed you on the video. So please ask me if you want something in details. Okay, goodbye, and thanks for your attention, and please subscribe, because I'm very close to get money from Google if you subscribe, and this will be not only a hobby for me. Okay, so push the button, guys. Goodbye, ciao.